Good afternoon. My name is Gibbs. I am from CrossFit Ammo, talking to you about lesson 3, which is scaling. So today we're going to take on a 10-minute EMOM, which is going to be 30 double unders. And in the same minute, we're going to do max clean and jerks with 135-95. So the type of workout that we're going to be doing is a Metcon. The stimulus that we're looking for today is going to be around 20 seconds or less of that jump rope. And then once you get to the barbell, hopefully picking it up at about the 30-second mark and trying to average amongst all 10 rounds about 5 clean and jerks. So we're going to be talking to a class that is about 70% intermediate, 20% advanced, 10% beginner, and then 5% injured. So first thing we would talk about is the double unders. So when we get to the doubles today, we like to adhere to the rule of thirds. So if you can do 10 unbroken double unders, you should be able to knock out 30. If you could do 20 unbroken double unders, you'd be able to do 60. So for this workout, your minimum score, minimum requirement to do those 30 double unders is going to be 10. If you cannot do 10, but you can do 5, today I want you to scale that down to 15 double unders. If doubles are just not your jam today, we're going to scale that down to singles, and 1 is going to equal 1. So we're not going to accumulate more volume than we need to. If you can hit those 30 singles, you're going to end up doing 300 jumps anyway, just like you would if you were doing doubles. So 1 is going to equal 1. Scaling down from there, we're going to cap you at 20 seconds. So if you are unsure, we're going to stop you at 20 seconds. If you are averaging over 20 seconds on either doubles or singles, I'm going to stop you around 20 seconds if you're going over, getting closer to that 30-second mark. Once you are done with that, the clean and jerks, what we're looking for there, as far as scaling down from those 135 and 95, if that clean and jerk from the ground gives you trouble, if that hinge gives you trouble, we're going to stay in that high hang today. We're going to stay nice and vertical, and we're going to do hang cleans to the shoulder and then still press it overhead. If we are not using a barbell today, then we will scale that down to 2 dumbbells. Same thing, slight little dip from that hang position, catching on the shoulders, and then going straight overhead. If we have our athletes today that cannot go overhead, we are actually going to scale this down to a burpee deadlift so we can still get that posterior chain engagement on the deadlift. And then when we come up, we're just going to make sure we get an explosive hip extension. That way we can still make sure we are working those hips and not just our backside. That'll be it for today, crew.